Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. If you're an oldie, welcome home. If you're new, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up whilst you're at it. So today I'm doing needle and thread cornrow, and I prepare the hair first. This hair is wet. We've just washed it in the salon at Nashe Hair Studio Salon. We've just washed it, so I'm creating needle and thread cornrows coupled with some real cornrows, like some small cornrows on the sides of the big needle and thread cornrows. And if you want to see how I do that, stay tuned. This hair is not very long, as you can see, and I'm plaiting it once it's still wet, because I think that's the healthiest that it can be, plaiting hair once it's still wet and not blow drying for the sake of blow drying. I do blow dry hair, of course I do, but I don't unnecessarily blow dry hair just to do a hairstyle. No, I don't do that. I'm doing the needle and thread stitch braid or needle and thread cornrow. So as you guys know, if you have watched my other videos, I don't make a note here. I just start the stitching of the hair. So for stitching the hair or for the needle and thread, obviously you're going to need a needle and you're going to need some thread. I prefer using normal acrylic yarn for the needle and thread because, what can I say, it won't cut the hair. It is thick enough not to cut the hair. That's the reason why I use that. And I prefer using a needle that is blunt so that there's no pricking of anyone here. No one gets pricked. I don't get pricked. The client doesn't get pricked by a needle. And you know how dangerous that can be. So yeah, make sure that you've got a blunt needle. I like how the stitch braid is coming out. It looks like almost like a leaf. Can you see that? Maybe it's just me, but yeah, I'm really liking this. I did some cornrows and some African threading on the top so that I can crochet some hair into it. Some of the crocheting of the hair was also done on the needle and thread cornrows. So for those who are asking me if it's possible to crochet on needle and thread cornrows, yes, it is very possible. You can crochet on any hair really, whether you've done cornrows, you've done African threading, or the needle and thread cornrows. It is possible to crochet some hair on it. I'm using the Darling vibration here which is an afro look like, but it's a soft afro look. It's not like your 4C. We are talking of 3C, 4A kind of hair. That's how it comes out like. Crocheting, it's basic crocheting, you guys. I'm sure you by now know how to crochet hair into into cornrows or into natural hair. So that's basically what I'm doing here. I'm giving the hair a nice trim so that I can shape it up a little. These are the results. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming by. Please thumbs up if you like this video in any way. If you like needle and thread cornrows, please thumbs up and please subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Bye.